Guys, if you're into editing, content creation, or you're a video editor, or let's assume that you're a CapCut lover or a user, okay? You agree with me that recently CapCut have implemented an advanced feature to most of those tools we normally use for free as of then. Now, those tools we normally use for free are no longer for free again. Yes, especially those we normally use all the time in our video editing. As a YouTuber, you need this. As a content creator, you need this. As a video editor that normally uses CapCut, you need this. That's the reason why you need to pay good attention to this video. If you're actually coming across CapCut for the very first time, CapCut is actually a normal online editing app we normally use for our video editing, especially some YouTubers and a lot of content creators out there. That is what we use. We use it for our videos and we use it for our thumbnails, okay? But unfortunately, of recent, it's no longer for free. You have to pay a sum of 9,900, or equivalent to 10,000 naira, just for 1 month before you can be able to access those regular features we normally use on CapCut. But today I will be showing you how you can be able to use it legally without any issues, and it's for free. You're not going to pay for any subscription, not even yearly, not monthly, not daily. You are using it for free legally, okay? Now the question is, what are those two that are no longer for free now? So the first two in my list here is what I call extract audio. Extract audio is actually used to extract audios from a video. Maybe there's this particular random video that you saw that has a very nice music of your choice. You love it, but you just want to extract the music or the audio from it. This is the tool you're going to use. So the second one in my list is reduce noise. Like you're actually filming your video in a very noisy background. So with this tool, you can be able to extract that particular noise, remaining only your voice in the video. Then the number 3 in my list is what they call extracts. You can use this to extract anything from a particular video, but it's no longer for free. Number 4 is text templates. Text template, we normally use it to design our text, both the front, effects, animations. So all of them now are no longer for free. Then the 5th one I have here is stickers. Stickers we normally use for our daily steady video content is no longer for free again. Then another one that always touches me is auto captions template. This one is actually the one you'll be seeing somebody that will be talking and the person's voice will be writing on the screen. Like as I'm talking now, you'll be seeing it here. So all these things are no longer for free. So that is why you have to stay tuned to this video and watch from the beginning to the end, because every information here are so vital to you. So without wasting time, let's head to the business of the day, okay? Use one of the features here to apply on this video. So what we need to do, let me just use captions, because this video doesn't have any caption. Let me choose any of the caption effects here or template. I just choose one, then I will generate. Okay, let's wait patiently. All right, it has generated. As you can see, whatever thing I'm saying here now will be reflecting. Okay, see, let's just. Guys, are you actually aware that you cannot access CapCut Pro for free? Okay. Okay. All right. Now, because of this thing I have added here. If I want to export this video now, they will not allow me. Now let's try to export. Okay. As you can see, you are using a standard picture. As you can see, I cannot. If I want to click on export, let's see. Look at, they are telling me to sign up. So they will not allow you yet. So that is it. I have to go back. So my dear, remedy for this, the reason why we are making this content is you have to tap on this full screen, whatever one you are calling it there. Once you are here, please remember to on your screen record. Like now, my screen record is on. My screen record is on. But there's another thing I want to remind you guys. So let's go back. Look at this place now. You see this auto caption. I have to bring it a little bit up so that once I'm done doing what I want to do, I will still see it. So let's go back to the full screen. Now we are here. What we need to do is to do what, since our screen recording is on. So once we are here, what we need to do here is to do what, to tap on the play button, it will start playing and it will be recording at the same time. Screen recording at the same time. Guys, are you actually aware that you cannot access CapCut Pro for free? Okay, you cannot. So guys, once you are done, the next thing you have to do is to go back. When you go back, you can just end it at that place, or you just go back and end it. You just end the screen record. Now we are ended the screen record. What you need to do, let me go away so I will bring in the work. Okay, what we are going to do now is to bring in that work we just screen recorded, because there are a lot of excesses on it, so we have to remove it. Just go to our folders, go to screen record. So guys, this is the place I started. I have to just cut off the excesses. This side I don't want, I will remove them. So the next thing I'm going to do is to give it YouTube ratio. You just tap on this aspect ratio here. You give it 16:9. Once you are done, you tap on good. Then you now tap on it, tap on the video. Then you now use your two fingers and expand it to your satisfaction. Expand it to full the screen. Okay, as you're expanding it, remember that this line here, you have to also cover it up. You can actually use zoom in to remove it. That was the reason why I said that you should bring this auto caption up so that it will show when you remove that line. Okay, so now let's play it and see. Guys, are you actually aware that you cannot access CapCut Pro for free? Okay, you cannot accept. So guys, that's the end of it. Once you get to the place you want the video to end, you just cut off the place and use splitting tool and cut off the excesses. That's just it, guys. Once you are done like this, you can be able to export your video. So what I normally do is, once I come to this, if there's any other feature I want to add, like increasing the volume, if I think that the volume I have is not okay, I can still increase it. Guys, are you actually aware that you cannot access cap? This is another benefit it has. It can be able to increase the volume to any how you want it again. So once you are done, you just export your video. So let's tap on export. You will see no restriction again. All right, I will still show you the ending my phone. Okay, here is it. Guys, are you actually aware that you cannot access CapCut Pro for free? You can still zoom off that place you are seeing, that WhatsApp icon and YouTube icon. You can just remove it if you wish. So that's it, guys. There's no other thing again. I hope you got a value from this video. If you do, please help me and subscribe, like and comment any question of your choice. And please help me and do take care of yourself. It's so much important to me. Bye.